Hey guys, this is Mike with TechneekTV.com. What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Windows 7 to your computer from a flash drive, a USB flash drive. So you may be going like, Mike, why would I want to install from a flash drive when I can just pop in the DVD I bought and just install it that way? Well, the difference is that with a flash drive, since they are based on flash memory, the read and write speeds will be significantly faster than a conventional DVD. So you'll just be able to breeze through the Windows 7 installation in about 5 or 10 minutes instead of usual 20 minutes. So for me, it's a lot easier just to use a flash drive. So to start, insert your flash drive into the computer, and then here, I'll show you. This removable disk K is the one I'm going to be using to install Windows, and I should probably tell you guys right now that you'll want a 4 gigabyte or more flash drive, or else Windows will not fit on it. So you can see I've already emptied my flash drive. So right now we're going to open up a command line and make sure you run it as administrator, otherwise this will not work. And do take caution when you're entering the commands I'm telling you here. Otherwise, you could end up wiping your computer, which would not be very nice, and you'll probably hate on me. So what you're going to do is type in disk part and press enter. And now you'll have a new prompt called disk part. Type in list space disk, press enter. And now let's see, my flash drive is 14 gigs, so it is disk 3. Make sure you don't select your main hard drive, because that would be bad. And you're going to type in select disk, and then the number of the drive that you're going to be installing Windows 7 from. In my case, this is disk 3, not disk 1, because that is my hard drive, when that would wipe it. So we're going to type in 3 and then press enter. And you'll see disk 3 is now the selected disk. Now type clean. This will wipe the hard drive. Now type in create partition primary and press enter. And you'll see disk part succeed in creating the specified partition. Now type select partition 1, press enter. Now type in active. That will mark the partition 1 as active. Now you're going to type in format fs and then the equal sign ntfs space and then quick. Oops. Make sure you use quick at the end, otherwise the format could take a ridiculously long time depending on how large your flash drive is, and it will take a while still. Alright, disk part successfully formatted the volume. Now type in assign, which will assign a drive letter to the flash drive. And now you can type in exit, and it'll say leaving disk part, and then type in exit once more. Now you're going to want to open up the flash drive, so just go to my computer, and then open up the flash drive. Now you're going to want to drag the contents of a Windows 7 DVD into the flash drive. You may have to extract them from the DVD. I've already done this. I might make a tutorial on that later. So just highlight everything in there. You should have a folder called boot, EFI, sources, support, upgrade, and then you'll have a file labeled auto run, boot manager, or boot mgr, and bootmgr.efi, and then a setup file. Just drag all those into the flash drive. And it looks like this is going to take a while, so I'll cut it on the video, because I really don't think you guys want to wait. Alright guys, so the transfer of the Windows 7 files to the flash drive just finished, and it took quite a bit of time, longer than I expected actually. It was about 5 minutes. So yeah, that's it. Now with all those files in the flash drive, just reboot your computer and make sure it is set to boot from a flash drive instead of the hard drive. And that way, when your your computer BIOS will actually think that it is booting a Windows 7 DVD instead of a flash drive. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you like us, feel free to subscribe. Thanks. See ya.